Hey kids, welcome! Government Week 2. Here we go. So, Mr. Palomera, me, Ms. Espinoza, and Mr. Moreno all have a strong idea about what government class should be. Government class should be a way for you to learn how to use your government. This is not a sit on the side and we'll tell you what it looks like and this is what government is. Nope. When you leave this class, we want you to be ready to tell your government what you want, reach out to anyone who represents you, learn how to access them, and get things that you want from your government. We believe in more than just voting. We believe in complete civic engagement. And this week we're going to introduce all kinds of things that will help you become more civically engaged, know who you are as a citizen, and your role in this society. We need your help to make the best world possible. All right, so let's start the week.